Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TAPM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would consider the ideal area. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above this breakout point right here at 60 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 60 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 60 going forward, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this consolidation area down there at 50 cents. So near term, 60 cents and 50 cents, those two levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture time frame. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that's where the famous 50-period simple moving average comes into play. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a broad scope of things perspective, if you just kind of care about the overall quote-unquote health of the price and how do you gauge that, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the health is fully in the bull's favor, no doubt about it. Again, yeah, if the price could stay up above 60 cents, that would be great. But from the broad scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, as it stands right now, top priority has nothing to really do with breaking levels of resistance. Top priority now is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases start to be built over those longer periods of time, that's how the long-term uptrends are constructed. So yeah, today was a great solid move. But if any sort of longer-term momentum is going to come out of it, it all has to do with going through healthy consolidations and building those higher bases. So we'll see how things unfold. But yeah, no doubt about it. Powerful move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.